Volchego Minecraft S Gaeilge. How are you guys? So I just I just tried recording this video because I had a cool Minecraft splash screen, and it wouldn't let me connect to the server because I had it open for a few days. So that was unfortunate. So if I can tack that on to this video, I will. Oops. And I probably won't be able to, so you might see that in a blooper or something. Anyway, I just logged in here to my secret underground lair, and I heard a lot of zombies. And there they are. Yep. So I'm going to need to kill them, and I'm going to need to figure out where in the hell they're spawning. Because I had most of this lit up. They're probably spawning on that spot right there, where I just killed a creeper. So I'm going to throw a torch over there. Oh, there's lots of creepers. Oh, that's bad news. Oh, that's bad news. Ooh, ho, 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 ho. Oh, I don't want to deal with that right now. Alright, so I'm not going to mess with those guys just yet until I get a bucket full of lava, and I know just where to get one. So I don't really have a I don't really have any anything to talk about today. Really don't. And if your ears are going to be assaulted right now, I apologize from the noises, but I should have that lower than my speaking volume, so we'll see how that turns out in the video. Okay, I lied. I don't know where to get one. You might be wondering, why do I have all these hoppers? I don't know. I like hoppers. Ignore it. It's totally not a bug that I'm exploiting. Totally not. Nope. No exploiting bugs here. That's not happening. I've never researched this bug. And haven't come up with anything. So there's no bug that I'm exploiting whatsoever. I really shouldn't be showing you this because someone will probably fix it. I mean, this non-existent bug they'll fix. I'm going to make a bucket. You know, sometimes being prepared for a video is really good. I'm not that type of person. Anyway, the last video I posted was my July 4th video. It was just a quick little video to celebrate July 4th. I let off some fireworks. It was decently okay. And yeah, that happened. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to look up a word for you guys, a word of the day. You know what? I even forgot the word for word in Gaelic. Well, what I will do is I'll talk about the phrases I screwed up in that video. That's what I was ultimately going to get to here. I may have said it once or twice, but I said Rua instead of Dearg. So Dearg is red, not Rua. And I'm pretty sure I got that right in the first July 4th video from last year, 2016. So I'm not dead silence, yay. I'm not all too worried about. I was about to remove that block, and you know what? That block. Oh, I don't know what that block does. I don't know if it's holding in water or not. I'll leave it. Yeah, so I screwed up. I said Rua, and I meant Dearg. I got that right in the original video. I think I posted the name in a comment correctly. You know, to say I made a mistake. I'm just gonna let all these guys burn in lava because I really don't care about what they're holding. Really don't. I don't want that lava sticking around very much either, because there's a... Uh-oh. Yeah, that wasn't such a good idea. Because I have that wood there. That wood's going to catch fire. Oh, that wood's going to catch fire. Oh, look at this guy. Buddy. So, Rua actually means red-haired. That should be enough to kill him. I let that one go too long. So, I was close? And then after I posted the video, I'm like, wait a minute, I was saying Rua. And I meant Dearg. Because I remembered, I'm like, wait a minute. Dearg is pink. So Rua is the wrong word. But that kind of goes back to what I'm saying. You know, as you learn a language, you're going to make mistakes. I wish I don't make them so publicly, but... you know, to all my 0 viewers. But yeah, you do make mistakes learning a new language. And that's kind of one of the things that stopped me from... Oh, I'm going to need to replace that block immediately. That's kind of one of the things that stopped me from making these videos in the first place, was because, you know, I'm like, oh, well, you know, I don't really know a lot of Gaelic. I can't speak in Gaelic for very long. It's not going to be pretty. It's not going to be, it will not, New Gaeilge Shay. It will not be pretty. Ooh. Whoa. Uh-oh. Okay. That was dangerous. There's another skeleton over there. Let's see if I can get him. There we go, yeah. Cool. Alright. Oh, look, that just missed me. Do you see the arrow there? Right in the wall. What was I saying? I'm gonna throw a torch over here if I can. Come on, 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 come on. I really want to have to go over there and remove those blocks. Come on. Be cool about this. Is it me or was... Did the reach change? I really don't play Minecraft too often. Yeah, so when I just saw these zombies, I figured maybe they were spawning up there. You know, where those skeletons were and creepers when they dropped down. Let me go get that other torch. I am going to It's tough, man, living underground. Very tough. Cool. I will use that block that is wasting inventory space. Minecraft pro tip. Need to climb down an area? Boom. There you go. Oops. My mouse does a weird sort of double click thing, I've noticed. Oh, come on. Really? You used to be able to get that. That's ridiculous. Alright. That should be better. Should. Alright. Let's see what that word is. Ihir? Ihir is dirt. I'm guessing at the pronunciation. I just might as well do the rest in dirt. Come on. There we go. There's a way to make it really fast. Alright. Let me pick up some of this, whatever it's called in Gaelic while I'm here. Excellent. Cool, cool, cool. Oh, there's a spot too. Dead silence again. Always good. Why? Oh, I picked up all that crap. Okay. So, yeah. Oh, one of the other things I was screwing up in that video, I kept saying Gaeilge, when I meant to say everybody. So for everybody, I was saying Gaeilge, and Gaeilge means everything. So that was totally wrong. I meant to say Gaeilge. Even then, I believe that's like everyone. So maybe it's not. I mean, it's probably translating okay, but I don't know if linguistically it sounds right. You know, it'd be sort of saying like, hello. I guess, you know, you could say hello everybody or hello everyone. I think, you know, in English it's kind of interchangeable, so I'm not too worried about that. And now we see why these guys were oh, that's weird. Why was that happening? Sorry, doing a little debugging right now. My mouse was leaving the Minecraft window. It was really weird. I don't know why that was happening. Oh, that's weird. I forgot why I moved this guy over here. Oh, look at my zombie pig farm working, kind of. Get in there. So, yeah. So I was saying Gaeilge and I meant Gaeilge. I'm probably pronouncing Dene wrong too. That's oh, you know what I should do? I should sleep. I started going up this ladder after I had slept. So God only knows how long ago that was. I think this has already been, you know, maybe a 10-minute episode. Yeah, see, it's already night again. Yeah. So. Cool. It's much quieter here now. So this is my, what we were kind of seeing, oops, against the wall there is, oh, you can even see it from here, but, I'm kind of really embarrassed to show this because this is not my best organizational skills when it comes to underground layers. Yeah, here we go. So, this is my little mob farm. And you can see you can even see in there, which is really cool because I didn't realize it was that low. But yeah, so mobs spawn in there, they get pushed by the water, they go into there, and then they get crushed right here. I'm going to stand back a bit because I had no idea with the Minecraft rule changes. If they see me, I don't know how it's going to turn out. Anyway, I wish I had more stuff to talk about. Let me end the video right here because I think that's been about 10 minutes, and then we'll return with another video. Alright? Yay, wow, guys. I probably should have done that when I slept, but yeah. Slán!